Are you looking for a way to make money online in 2023? Dropshipping is the answer. With the rise of print-on-demand dropshipping, it is easier than ever to start your own business from home and start earning $500 a day. This beginner's guide to print-on-demand dropshipping in 2023 will provide you with all the information you need to get started on your journey. We'll go over what print-on-demand and dropshipping, the benefits of using this method, and the steps you need to take to get started. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment strategy which an online store does not keep an inventory in stock, but instead, when a customer places an order, the store purchases the item from the third-party supplier and shipped directly to the customer without the store ever seeing or handling the products. This approach minimizes the risk and investment, allows for greater variety of products, and also eliminates the need for storing and stocking inventory, which is unlike the traditional retail business model. A specific type of dropshipping business model is print-on-demand dropshipping. This involves selling custom printed merchandise without any physical inventory. In this model, merchants submit their designs and artwork to suppliers who then print them on items such as mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, and other products before packaging and shipping directly to the customer. This approach is ideal for entrepreneurs who want to start an online store without incurring upfront costs and risk. Print-on-demand dropshipping enables merchants to offer unique custom printed products without the need for maintaining any inventory. What is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand is a type of dropshipping that allows entrepreneurs to offer customizable products such as t-shirts, mugs, hats, and much more with no upfront cost or inventory. Print-on-demand dropshipping works by connecting an online store with a printing partner that will print and ship the order directly to the customer. With print-on-demand dropshipping, entrepreneurs do not need to worry about stocking or managing inventory, as all products are made to order. Dropshipping with print-on-demand dropshipping is quickly becoming one of the most popular e-commerce business models due to its low cost of startup and easy scalability. This type of dropshipping model allows entrepreneurs to quickly and easily launch their own online store without needing to invest in large quantities of product upfront. By partnering with the reliable printing partner, entrepreneurs can easily manage their businesses and make sure customers receive high quality products. Overall, print-on-demand is an ideal solution for those looking to start their own dropshipping business with minimal overhead costs. With a print-on-demand dropshipping business, entrepreneurs can create and customize products with little risk or upfront investment. Plus, since all orders are made to order, there is no need to worry about excess inventory or storage fees. All you need to do is to focus on marketing and promoting your store and watch your business grow. The benefits of starting a print-on-demand dropshipping business. Dropshipping is an incredibly popular business model and is being used more and more by entrepreneurs looking to start their own online store. Print-on-demand dropshipping offers a number of unique benefits for those looking to get into the e-commerce world. Here's just a few benefits that comes with starting a print-on-demand dropshipping business. Number 1, low overhead costs. One of the major advantages of dropshipping is that you don't need to invest in any inventory or storage space. This eliminates the need to rent or purchase a warehouse, which can be a major expense. So instead, you can focus on investing in marketing and promotion of your store to maximize sale. Number 2, there is no need to manage any inventory with print-on-demand dropshipping. You don't need to worry about keeping track of inventory. This means you can spend more time growing your business instead of managing product orders and shipping. Number 3, flexible product offering. With print-on-demand dropshipping, you have the flexibility to add or remove products from your store whenever you want. This means you can test different products to see what works best for your business. Number 4, easier to scale. Since you don't have to manage inventory, it makes it easier to scale your business as it grows. All you need to do is to increase your marketing effort and focus on making more sales. But then overall, print-on-demand dropshipping is a great option for those looking to start their own online store. So with low overhead costs, flexible product offering, and ease of scaling, it is easier to see why so many entrepreneurs are choosing to start their own dropshipping business. So that leads us to how to start a print-on-demand dropshipping business. Starting a print-on-demand dropshipping business is becoming an increasingly popular way for entrepreneurs to make money online. The potential for profit is great, and the low startup cost makes it a viable option for anyone looking to launch an e-commerce business. However, as with any business, there are certain steps that needs to be taken in order to ensure a successful launch. The first step in starting a print-on-demand dropshipping business is finding a reliable dropshipper. A dropshipper is essentially a middleman between you, the supplier, and they will take care of storing the products, packaging the products for shipping, and then shipping the products to your customers. When selecting a dropshipper, look for a dropshipper that offers good customer service, competitive pricing, and then fast delivery time. What you need to do next is to create your online store. This can be done through a website builder such as Shopify, or you can even use Amazon to start selling products. If you choose to use Amazon, you will need to list your product, set up payment processing, and then manage fulfillment. If you decide to go with Shopify or other websites builder, you will need to design the layout of your store, upload product images and descriptions, and then you add the payment processing and set up your shipping option. Once your store is up and running, you will need to start sourcing products from manufacturers. You can find suppliers by using dropshipping directories like Sell.ho, or by searching for manufacturers on Alibaba or AliExpress. Make sure you read reviews about the suppliers you are interested in working with, and then select those that offer good quality product at a reasonable price. Once you have selected your suppliers, it is time to promote your store. There are many ways that you can actually use in promoting your store, including setting up a blog or a website, creating social media accounts, joining forums related to your niche, and using paid advertising platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook ad. You can also consider running special promotions and discounts to draw in customers. Once you start making sales and earning money from your print-on-demand dropshipping business, you would want to track your progress and monitor what is working and what is not working. Doing this will help you identify areas where you can improve or optimize your store. With a bit of hard work and dedication, you can turn your print-on-demand dropshipping business into a profitable venture, creating your online store. When it comes to setting up your online store, dropshipping is a great option for those just starting out. With a dropshipping business, you don't have to worry about stocking, shipping, or managing inventory. All these tasks are taken care of by the supplier. All you have to do is to create your store, set up payment processing, and list products. Print on demand also makes it easy to start an online store. You can design and upload your own unique designs, add them to products like t-shirts and mugs and then have them printed on demand. This eliminates the need for you to stock and store any physical product. To get started with dropshipping or print on demand, you will need a website platform to host your store. Popular options include Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. They provide tools and features that makes setting up an e-commerce store easier than ever before. Once you have chosen a platform, you can begin designing your website, adding products, and then setting up payment processing and more. Creating a successful online store requires a lot of planning, research, and hard work. But with dropshipping and print on demand, you can get started quickly and start earning money in no time, finding products to sell. To discover suitable products for dropshipping, there are a few steps that you can follow. 1. Investigate your competitors. Explore what other print-on-demand dropshipping stores are offering. Identify that they are already selling well and then consider featuring similar products in your own store. Analyze trends. Stay up to date with popular fashion and home decor trends to stay ahead of your competitors. Launch new products that capitalize on your current trends and appeal to your customers. Foster creativity. Attempt to develop original designs that you can print onto products and sell in your store. This will make your store unique and differentiate it from the competition. Connect with suppliers. Reach out to suppliers and inquire if they offer print-on-demand dropshipping services. Be sure to obtain all the pertinent details regarding their shipping times and pricing before you make any form of commitment. Discovering products to dropship does not have to be complicated. By conducting some form of research and fostering creativity, you can identify items that will be appealing to customers and profitable for your store. Keep these pointers in mind while searching for products to add to your store, and you'll be well on your way to success with your print-on-demand dropshipping business. Promoting your store. When it comes to dropshipping and print-on-demand, there are a few things that you can do effectively to promote your store and increase your sales. With the right approach and strategies, you can successfully grow your business and start earning more income. First, create a website for your store. This will give potential customer a place to learn more about your store, what it is that your store is offering, and then the products that you are actually selling. Be sure to include an easy to navigate shopping cart system and payment option. Next, create social media account and post regularly. This is a great way to build relationships with potential customers and let them know about your product and any promotions that you are running. You should also use influencer marketing to reach new audiences, as well as digital ads on platforms such as Facebook and Google Ads. Another great way to promote your dropshipping and print-on-demand business is through email marketing. Create email campaigns to keep your customers informed about new products and promotion. You can also send targeted emails to segments of your audience based on their past purchases and interests. Don't forget about the traditional marketing methods such as the use of flyers, postcards, radio ads, and television commercials. These can actually be a great way to spread the word about your business and bring in more customers. By using a combination of these methods, you can successfully promote your print-on-demand dropshipping business and start earning more income, making sales and earning money. Now that you have your store set up and you have identified products that you want to sell, it is time to make some money. Dropshipping and print-on-demand offers unique opportunities for entrepreneurs who want to start their own business without investing in a large inventory or dealing with shipping and fulfillment. The first step to making sales is to ensure that your products are visible to potential customers. This can be done through advertising campaigns both on and offline. Advertising campaigns allows you to target specific audiences and can be very cost effective when done right. You can also use influencer marketing, where influencers in your niche promote your products to their own followers. Another way to generate more sales is to optimize your store for search engine rankings. This can help your product appear higher in search results, increasing your visibility and then drawing more customers to your store. Once you have your customers visiting your store, you need to make sure that you are converting them into buyers. You can do this by creating an engaging checkout process that is easy for customers to navigate. Additionally, consider offering discounts and promotions such as free shipping to further incentivize customers to buy from your store. Once you start receiving orders, it is important to fulfill them quickly and effectively. With dropshipping and print on demand, you don't need to worry about warehousing, packing, and shipping the products yourself. Instead, the supplier or the manufacturer handles all of that for you. By taking advantage of dropshipping and print on demand services, you can easily scale up your business and start earning $500 per day. With a little bit of effort, dedication, and strategic marketing, you can create a successful business that offers great value to your customers. If you like this video, then hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any question whatsoever. Also share this video so that this video gets to more people. Click to watch this video showing up right here so you can actually learn a whole lot more, and I'll see you in the very next one.